Man, we're going to make the best gingerbread house this year. I know! It's going to be awesome! Yeah, we should. Let's make one right now. 1 hour later. Hope we're done. Nice candy layer. And, yeah. So we're good with this gingerbread house this year. Yeah. I know, we're going to be famous! Yeah. Let me show you how to grow. Ouch. Okay, now we gotta work on a Christmas tree. We got it. Yeah. Ow. Perfect. Now we gotta go to the contest. But how? We'll find a way. But so how do we do this? Wait a minute. Try breaking the fourth wall first. Okay. Hi, I'm Peter the puppy. What the? Hi, I'm Nori. I'm Mr. Snuggles. And I'm Peter. Okay, let's go. Okay. I'm gonna go get some cookies. Okay. This one looks good. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. Now, time to go. Well, everyone, I think we're gonna do good this year. Yep. To be continued.